Hello students, today we are going to learn about what is phrases, classes and its kinds. So this video for class 5 and so students, at the end of this lesson you will able to define class, phrase and its kind. So first of all, see the definition. What is phrase? A phrase is a group of words which does not contain a subject, which does not contain a subject and a predicate. It has no any subject and no any predicate and does not make complete sense by itself. It is incomplete sentence. It depends upon the other words to make sense. Like that, in a hated manner, on behalf, on the whole, in any ways. These are example of phrases. It has no any subject and no predicate. It depends on other words to complete their sentence. So let's see more exercise of these phrases so we can better understand. So student, here is the more example of phrases. So let's start and do exercise of the phrases so we can understand by this example. So first, underline the phrases in the following sentences. So here is the example. In first sentence, they were arguing in a heated manner. So in this sentence, where is a phrase in a heated manner is a phrase because it does not contain any subject and not any predicate. So it is a phrase. So now next let's see another sentence. I am standing here on behalf of my colleague. On behalf. That is on behalf. On behalf is a phrase. And third one is on the whole. And fourth, in any way. Fifth sentences, impressed with, and the sixth one is in the red skirt. And the I enjoying the seventh sentence. I enjoy. And the seventh and the complete seventh, eighth, in the eighth sentence with the beard. Ninth sentence, known as sprinting. And the last sentence is I decided. Is I decided to go to sleep. So student, here is these are example of phrases because it does not contain a any subject and not any predicate. So it will depend on other words to complete their meaning. So let's see its a kind. Here is the three types of phrases. First one is noun phrase and adjective phrase and the adverb phrase. So rest of discuss in detail next video. So thank you.